What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. My name is Lucky. So guys, in today's video we are doing a review on this beauty right here. This is a Louis Vuitton on the go in the size. I find that reviews are quite helpful, especially for someone who's looking to get, a bag like this and they're sort of just on the fence on whether to get it or not to get it. And by the way guys, in case I forget, let me just mention this right now. In case I forget, Louis Vuitton has had a new price increase for 2022 from the 18th of February. When was the 18th? I think it was Thursday. Yes, they've had their price increase for this year. So this bag probably retails for like 48 or 50k right now. I'm not sure. I haven't really confirmed the new prices. If you guys would like for me to do like a new video, a video for 2022 on the new Louis Vuitton prices, please do comment below. Let me know if you want to see that video, then I can just ask my SA from Louis Vuitton to assist me with the new prices. It's crazy guys, absolutely crazy. Anyway, I am so glad that I actually managed to score this bag late last year before the price increase, because I was just gonna die guys. Like, I don't see myself, honestly, like I'm not sure if Louis Vuitton is for me anymore in terms of prices. I just feel like it's crazy. Like, we just had, they just had a price increase last year in October, and now, in February, there's another price increase, guys. It's just crazy. Anyway, let me not digress. Let's come back to this bag. So I got this last year, just before November, towards the end of October. So I got it towards the end of October. I've basically been using this bag for almost 4 months now, and guys, when I say I've been using it, I mean like literally, like I reach out for this bag. Like, I use it all the damn time. Like, every time I want to go out and I feel like, I want to I want to carry a whole lot of things, this is the bag that I reach for. When I travel, this is the bag I reach for. When I go to Limpopo, anywhere, like when I travel to Cape Town, this is the bag I reach out for, guys. This is like, literally my, carry-on bag. When I travel, when I go to Cape Town, or when I use the plane, because, I'm that sort of person, like, I want to carry a little scarf when I'm on the plane, because it tends to, it gets quite cold on the plane, so I always carry like a little scarf. Even when I go out at night, like I just carry a little scarf for in case it just gets a little bit chilly. So this is the bag, guys, that I reach out for, and that is why I reach out for it, because I just carry like my whole life in this bag. So I'm going to share the positives and negatives about this bag, and of course guys, I mostly have positives about this bag because I love this bag. I've wanted it for so long, and when I got it last year, like I just went crazy when my hubby was like, listen, let me get you this bag. I'm tired of you just, talking about this bag every other day. Let me just get you this bag. So guys, I was very, very excited. So I mostly have positives as opposed to negatives. So the first positive about this bag, first of all, guys, the design. Let's look at the design of this bag. I mean, you have basically the reverse monogram. You have this tone here, like the dark brown, and then you have this lighter brown, or do you guys call this color 10? I'm not good with colors, I don't know. This is probably 10 with a touch of brown, dark brown, and then this side you have like dark brown with a touch of 10. So the design of this bag on its own, guys, is very, very beautiful. It is super structured, as opposed to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. The Louis Vuitton Neverfull doesn't have structure. So if you're looking for that bag, if you want structure in that bag, you would certainly have to get a bag organizer. Whereas with this bag, it is like just structured without a bag organizer. You don't really need a bag organizer with this bag, unless if you just want a bag organizer with a zipper, so that all your items can be secure. Because I find that with this bag, it's so easy. If you are walking at the mall where it's packed, for instance, it's so easy for a person to just throw in their hand and take out your essentials. Like they can easily have access to your wallet or have access to your phone. But I'm going to show you guys how I basically carry my essentials. So the design of this bag, guys, the two-tone, for me, it doesn't for me. If I don't want to wear the side, I know I can always switch it up to the side. If I get tired of the side, I just, wear it like this. And like I said, guys, it is super great for traveling. Like, you easily use this as your carry-on bag. You throw in all your essentials. It accommodates everything, and for me that's like the biggest positive, especially when you are on the road. It just accommodates everything. Like you can carry like your whole business in here. For me, like I said, guys, the biggest positive ever, because I find that with small bag, like it's just so annoying. You would want to carry like all your essentials when you are on the road, but because the bag is too small, you are certainly limited. But with this one, guys, like massive space for sure. Another positive, guys, this bag comes with these 2 straps and also the handles, so you have an option to wear your bag like so, or you can just wear it like on your shoulder, so this becomes like a shoulder bag. So that's like just having the option to wear this bag like in different ways is a positive for me. So if you don't like the straps, you can always wear it like this, or you just carry the bag like this. So guys, the biggest negative for me about this bag, it's also a positive, the straps. So I wish that these straps, in as much as I like them, I wish that they were removable, because I find that I wear my bag like I wear this bag like like this all the time. Like I prefer to hold it like this. I prefer to wear it with the handles, so which means I'm forced to throw in these 2 straps. So if I'm packing like a pair of shoes or change of shoes or whatever, I have to basically press the straps down, and I don't know if they'll ever get damaged, but I feel that's a negative for me, because I feel that in the long run, like with the amount of things that I throw in here, sometimes I throw in shoes, I literally just throw in anything and everything. I feel that the straps might end up getting damaged because I'm constantly pressing on them. Like there's always things on top of them, but we will see in a year or so if the straps will get damaged or not. But so far, honestly, with all the reviews that I watched before buying this bag, nobody mentioned the strap issues, so I'm hoping that I don't get to experience any damages, none whatsoever. But even if I do, I will simply take it back to Louis Vuitton and they will fix it for me. So that's another thing about luxury, guys. Like they can always like sort you out. Another negative guys, the price point. That's a negative. The price point, like I said, Louis Vuitton has had like a price increase, and I feel that even if you wanted this bag, now looking at the new price, whatever price it is still expensive, obviously, because we know Louis Vuitton, like their prices are up there. I feel it will discourage someone. If I hadn't gotten this bag last year, guys, I don't think I was going to buy it now. Like with the new price increase, chances are now it's 50k or probably more. I don't think I was going to buy it. So the price increase for me is a bit of a negative, especially for people who are looking to get this bag. With that being said, would I consider getting the on the go again? Certainly. But I wouldn't get it in the reverse monogram. I would probably get it like in the empreinte leather, the two-toned empreinte leather, the black and white. I will insert a picture here. I think this is very, very beautiful. But I would also get it like in the smaller size, like a size like smaller than this one. It is the PM size. It is basically, it comes here. Like I'm not sure if it's about here. Like I think the PM size would certainly look very nice. I'm not sure what the price point for the PM in the empreinte leather is, but also still, if it is very, very expensive, no, I'll just dream about it. I will certainly just dream about it. But guys, honestly, I don't have any regrets for buying this bag. And if you have the money for it, like why not? I'm just looking at my own pocket, of course. But if you know that you've been saving up for this bag, or you have the money for it, or you have multiple sources of income or multiple streams of income, why not spoil yourself and get this bag? It is quite a beautiful bag. It is very strong. It carries everything, like I said. No regrets so far, and like I said, I reach for this bag every day, almost every day. So I would have, like if there's something that I didn't like about this bag, I would have picked it up with the amount of time that I actually reach out for this bag. So now I'm going to show you guys quickly what fits in. So I'm actually on my way to Pretoria. I'm seeing a friend of mine in Pretoria, and every time I carry this bag, guys, especially like, you know, in the weather like this, it looks like it's going to rain. It's a little bit cloudy, you know, the sun came out just a little bit, so I always prefer just to throw in a warm scarf, because I like to, you know, chill outside. Like even if I go to a restaurant, I always prefer, like, you know, the outdoor, you know, area. So if it gets a little bit chilly, I know I can always just, you know, bring out my scarf. So I always carry this scarf when I carry this bag. This is a scarf that I got from my mom. I believe she bought this, I think it's from Toiletry last year. It is super, super, super warm. I take it everywhere with me. Summer, winter, when I'm carrying this bag, you're certainly going to find it in here. So I am certainly taking that. And I also have a pair of shades. These are from Versace. I got these last year, December or Black Friday. Actually, they were on sale. They were like, you know, had like, you know, that Black Friday special, the Black Friday sale. And then I am also carrying a sanitizer. What else do I have in here? Oh, I have this little thing. I think I just left it in here during the week. I usually just, you know, if I'm going to the mall, or if I'm, you know, doing something important at the police station or postnet, I go to the postnet a lot, guys, for business. So I always carry, like, you know, I always write down things here, things that I need to get done. Guys, it's so hot. Like, yo, goodness, it is so hot. And I made sure that I close all the windows and the door, of course, because there's so much noise coming from outside. So now that I have all the windows and the door closed, it is so hot. Anyway, I'm throwing that back in there. And then in the zipper section, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let me see. Can you guys see? There's like, we've got like a zipper there. I just have like, what do I have in here? I have like an extra mask. I have a mask, and I have like, you know, a hair tire. And then I have these two pockets in here. I usually just put like, you know, my car parking tickets, and I put like an extra wipe. And I think I've got like, you know, little snacks in here, fruit cubes. So these are raspberry and beetroot fruit cubes. I usually buy these from Discount. And then I always carry this is my toiletry pouch, because the bag is not secure. So I always feel that I need to throw all my essentials in here. And also because the bag is quite big and open, if you just throw in things, you will constantly be struggling to look for them. So I always make sure that I carry, like, you know, this pouch when I'm wearing this big bag, because I just throw everything and it's nicely packed in here. And I know that, you know, if I want my wallet, I'm just gonna go in here. If I'm looking for my phone, it is in here. So in here I have a phone, I have my wallet. This is a Victorian wallet, guys. I unboxed this beginning of the year. This is like, you know, part of the items that I got myself for Christmas. I have a portable charger, and then I also have a portable charger. This is a power bank, guys. Why am I saying portable charger? I always carry Dettol wipes. And then I have my modem, and I have a Cheppy chewing gum, and then I have, like, you know, a lip therapy thing, and I've got Grandpa. My mom would kill me if she sees that I'm carrying Grandpa, because she always says to me I shouldn't take, you know, Grandpa should just, you know, drink water if I get like headaches or if I get like, you know, pains. And then I have the Louis Vuitton samples, guys. These samples come in handy, like, you know, the Louis Vuitton samples, guys, they come in handy. This is Symphony. It smells so nice. It is from the new collection. The new collection, guys, of Louis Vuitton, the perfumes, they're quite expensive. I think like a bottle is like about 9,000. So they moved from, like, you know, 5.5 to 9,000. It's the new collection. And I have my hand cream, and I just have, like, you know, a nail filer. So guys, this is everything that I carry. This is everything that I have in this bag. It fits quite a lot. Like I said, like, I literally just throw in things in here. So guys, tell me what your thoughts are. would you buy this bag? So if it wasn't because of the new price increase, would you consider buying this bag? Or is this bag not for you? Or is it just too big for you, for your body frame? Or do you prefer smaller bags? Tell me what your thoughts are, and also let me know what you think of this review. Was this review very helpful? Yes or no? Please do comment below. I believe I got this bag when it was like about 46k. Like I said, now chances are it has gone up. So yeah, please do comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe below and make sure to hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Stay blessed, guys. Mwah.